Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving object in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut Mobile application, and for example, I'm going to blur this man's face. If we want to blur object, we need to duplicate our video. You can click on your video until your video is active, and you can go to the duplicate option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find this duplicate option, and you're going to duplicate it and make it as an overlay. Go to your second video and then tap on overlay. Okay, this one. Alright, and I'm going to make it align with my first video, and then we're going to add blur effect. Go to the effect and then go to video effect, and then you are going to search for the blur effect. Okay, select this one and click on the check mark, and you can make the effect align with your video just like this. Okay, and after that I'm going to put mask. You can go to your second layer and apply mask to your second layer. Select the mask option and you can choose the circle mask. Okay, and you can adjust the size of the mask, and then you can click on invert right here. Okay, and then we're going to put keyframe to make the blur effect follow the moving object. You can click on this option like this. Oops, sorry guys. You can click on this icon to add the keyframe. Just tap on that, and you can adjust the position one by one like this until the moving object has been fully covered. Okay, you can adjust one by one until the rest of your video. Okay, like this, and it's almost done. Okay, perfect. Wait guys, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can blur moving object in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!